and welcome to the video illustration. Today we will giving a brief about the book Getting Started with ChatBots written by Akil Mittal, and published by BPB Publications. So let's just start and check what this book is about. Now, what is a bot? The full form of bot is build, operate and transfer. A bot generally means some software that does a task automatically, sometimes to simulate or replace a human. There can be different types of bots. Chatbots, crawlers, transactional bots, informational bots, entertainment bots, and many more. A chatbot is an artificial intelligence software leveraging machine learning capabilities that can simulate a conversation or a chat with a user in natural language through messaging applications, websites, mobile apps, or through the telephone. A chatbot deeply analyzes users' input based on the predefined rules, or if we use the right terminology, predefined intents. Intents are the expected responses defined in the chatbot programming behind the scenes, considering what input a user can provide. It seems that the voice and chatbots really are everywhere these days, from Amazon Alexa to Google's Hello, to Apple Siri and countless others. This book will focus and train you to make your own chatbots on some different platforms and use them to deploy in some of the social networking sites like Facebook Messenger and many more. So let's see how to build our chatbots. Amazon Lex Services helps a developer to create a custom bot, and that bot could be integrated or deployed to the social media accounts or websites. This book will teach you to create a bot using Amazon's Lex service and get deployed on the Facebook Messenger for live chatting. This is the main page from where your bot development process will begin. The different terminology that you come across in the Amazon Lex are intents, utterances, slots. You will going to learn about each words and details in the book and what are their functions. Amazon Web Services Lambda function is a serverless compute service that runs your code in response to events and automatically manages the underlying compute resources for you. You can use AWS Lambda to extend other AWS services with custom logic, or create your own backend services that operate at AWS scale, performance, and security. Once you complete your initial basic bot, or you can further enhance it more as per your will and requirement. The bot is now ready for deployment on Facebook Messenger as a chatbot, or to your custom Facebook page from Amazon Lex. After working on the Amazon Lex, the book moves to the creation of chatbots using Dialogflow. Dialogflow offers an easy and intuitive interface to build sophisticated chatbots and integrates with the most popular messaging platforms of today like Facebook, Viber, Slack and so on. Dialogflow is powered by Google's machine learning, and it gives users new ways to interact with your product by building engaging voice and text-based conversational interfaces such as voice apps and chatbots, powered by AI. Its integration allows it to connect with users on your website, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Messenger and others. The Microsoft Bot Framework provides just what you need to build and connect intelligent bots that interact naturally wherever your users are talking, from text message to Skype, Slack, Office 365 Mail and other popular services. This book will also teach you to make use of Microsoft Bot Framework to build bots. The Bot Framework provides tools to solve the problems faced by developers, for example, automatic translation to more than 30 languages, user and conversation state management, debugging tools. The Bot Framework has a number of components including the Bot Connector, Bot Builder SDK, and the Bot Directory. The Bot Connector lets you connect your bot seamlessly to text, Office 365 Mail, Skype, Slack, and other services. Simply register your bot, configure desired channels and publish in the Bot Directory. The implementation of artificial intelligence chatbots will witness an increase, especially in the consumer-based services. The development trends in 2019 show that chatbots will be matching human behavior and providing the same services. Even the customer services present in most of the industries and firms will be carried out by chatbots in a better and efficient manner. The chatbots will simply going to benefit the growth of business. Chatbots are already and will in the future evolve more to help businesses in the following areas: improving customer service, online automated shopping, improved communication and response time. Okay, so here we wrap up. We have covered almost all topics of the book, from developing a chatbot to deploying it. This book is for the students, developers, architects and software technology enthusiasts, who are keen to learn the cutting-edge technologies and want to get a hand on AI by creating their own custom chatbots. Hope you have liked the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on our books and latest technology.